the top 5 best chainsaw for overlanding recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Gas Chainsaw 62C Power Chainsaw 20-inch. This gas chainsaw uses the latest 62C powerful crank 2-stroke cycle engine, provides greater power and less vibration with a 20-inch bar and low kickback chain that can quickly and easily cut the hardest wood and not easy to drop the chain. This electric chainsaw is designed with a safety switch to prevent accidental opening, and the quick-stop chain brake helps to use it more safely. The chainsaw, equipped with a high-quality chain and high-hardness bar, cutting speed, more durable, high wear resistance, and longer service life. Recommendation number 2. DEWALT 20VMAX*XR Chainsaw Kit. This cordless chainsaw kit adds versatility to your battery system. Gas-free operation eliminates the cold starts, fumes, carburetor issues, and maintenance involved with gas-powered chainsaws. Use it to cut beams, do demolition work, and manage tree limbs. This battery-operated chainsaw is built to handle tough construction and outdoor work. The lightweight design maximizes user control. Its brushless motor technology delivers extreme runtime and long motor life. Kit includes a 5.0-watt 20VMAX* battery, charger, and a hardbar cover. Recommendation number 3. HUSQVARNA 440 18-inch 40.9 2.4 HP gas chainsaw. X-Torque delivers lower fuel consumption and reduced exhaust emission levels in accordance with the world's most stringent environmental regulations. Facilitates cleaning and replacement of the air filter. Ergonomic rear handle, increased comfort with soft inlay. Ergonomic trigger and asymmetrical handle. 40.9 cc. Power output 2.4 HP, maximum power speed 9,000 RPM, fuel tank volume 12.51 fluid ounces, chain pitch 0.325 inches, chain gauge. Recommendation number 4. WEN 4017 Electric Chainsaw. The WEN 16-inch electric chainsaw provides over 12 amps of sawing power, making easy work out of any tree, bush, or branch that gets between you and that perfect lawn. The 16-inch chain runs at speeds of up to 44 feet per second, while the lightweight design limits fatigue during operation. Simply plug the cord into the power source of your choice and start chopping with 2.2 Nm of torque. The auto-oiling system lubricates the guide bar and chain as you cut to elongate the life of both the blade and the saw itself. Recommendation number 5. CRAFTSMAN 41B for 1,216,791 42 full crank gas chainsaw. CRAFTSMAN 42 2-cycle 16-inch gas-powered lightweight gas-powered chainsaw with easy start, 3-point anti-vibration system, and tool-free access is engineered with advanced power to cut through large trees and manage storm damage. CRAFTSMAN engineered a robust 42 full crank engine, which provides greater power and longer equipment life with less vibration. CRAFTSMAN's Easy Start technology has an incredibly easy-to-pull starting system, getting you up and running in seconds.